how to make a quick and easy TV unit with cubes. Hey guys, Yoduvh Essentials here. Now this is a living room that I worked on. I would love to share with you all what I did in this space. Now I will be leaving the couch and some of the furniture that you see there, but there are definitely things that I'm going to be changing. I was supposed to work on just the TV wall alone, but I couldn't help it because it would not go with some certain items in the living room. So because of that, I will be changing the ceiling fan, and I'll be working on a TV unit, of course. And then I'll be working on the wall that's on the right, this one right here. I'm going to be choosing a sort of color scheme that's going to go with the floor. The floor is so pretty, and I have to bring out the beauty of that floor because I feel like everything here is covering the floor and we need to make the floor pop. I took everything out and then started analyzing where items are going to be placed and how the design is going to be. I'll be starting with the wall at the right, and I'll be putting up wallpaper there and making the design in the middle. I'm going to paint this dark gray and let it dry. So while I'm waiting for that to happen, I'm going to take the cabinet that was there and take it out and spray paint it white. The bottom part in the middle is not complete because I intend to do something totally different there. That's for another video. Now here's where the cubes are going to be attached. And this is the front wall of the living room. I'll be using cubes to lay out how my design is going to be. I put up 3 on each side, and that's going to be giving me what I need to build my TV unit around. The cubes have now given me niches. I'll be having backsplash installed inside the niches with lighting too as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and work on the middle part of the TV unit. There's a provision now for the TV, the fireplace, and extra storage at the bottom, which I'm covering here with contact paper. I'll be adding mirror tiles around the edges of the doors that I made for the cubes. I'm cutting this to singular strips, and it's going to make the doors really pretty. I use 3D panels by the side, and then I use gold tape to seal off the design at the corners. Now it's time to put up all the items in place. Here's what the area in the living room that I worked on looks like now. I love the fact that this TV unit build has storage, one beneath the TV and where the cubes are. You all might notice speakers besides the TV. Now, it was not supposed to be there. The homeowners gave that to me after the entire build was made, so that's why we had to mount them besides the TV like that. Here's a little reminder of what the place used to look like before and what it looks like now. The difference is definitely there, and the place looks much more airy and bright, and you can appreciate the tiles on the floor as well. It goes so well with the TV unit now, and my client is so happy with her new space. I hope you all enjoyed this makeover video. Now don't forget to share it with your friends and families as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.